I get mine with oat milk and about 2 to 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. Hey YT fam, it's your girl Nettie B. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Please go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Hey guys, okay, so now since we have painted the living room, we are going to go ahead and start decorating the living room. So I want to go ahead and add some cabinets to each side in the front on the focal wall next to the television, and then above those cabinets I want to go ahead and add 3 shelves on each side, and add a little decor on the shelves, add some pictures on one of the walls, and just make it look nice until I get it all together and I'm bringing you guys along. So right now I'm getting ready to go to Home Goods to see if I can find any throw pillows for my couch, because I want to change the throw pillows. Hi, how are you? Yeah. You as well. Alright guys, I got my matcha green tea. I don't know why I said mocha. Maybe I wanted a mocha in real life. But I get mine with oat milk and about 2 to 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla. So good. So good. Alright, let's go. Okay, so now I am in Marshall's, just looking around, checking out the different type of pillows they have, seeing what I like and don't like, and just browsing. You know guys, I really like these pillows and they tied in so well with my couch. I am so upset at myself that I did not go ahead and get these. Not that the ones I purchased are not fitting, but these just, I think, would have tied in a little bit better. But hey. Okay, now on to Ross, one of my favorite department stores to go into, because Ross is just that store for me. It's a hit and miss, but I find gems a lot. So here you guys see me looking at these pillows here in Ross, and I actually saw this gold pillow that piqued my interest, and it was only $9.99. And I was originally going to get it, but then I found something else. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put my shelves together. As you guys can see here, I chose the gold brackets with the white shelves, and I just think that they're so cute. It was actually a suggestion from my significant other, and he's right. So I'm putting those together. This is actually the left side. The right side was a trial and error, but on the left side I got it perfect. So you guys can see. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into my cabinets that I did purchase off of Amazon. I'm going to upload a picture so you guys can see right here. And then I'm also, as you can see, I am putting candles on them because they did not come with candles. So I purchased some candles, I believe from Amazon as well. And I will throw a picture up of those. But this is just me going ahead and installing the handles. And I'm not perfect. I'm not a handy woman, but I do what I can get the job done. So this is me doing my best. And I didn't do perfect, but I did do pretty well. So yes, keep watching. Okay, so these are some what they call motion sensor lights that I installed underneath my shelving to give it a little ambiance. And you guys are gonna see, I think they came out like so well. I love the look of those at night. Okay, so now the fun part is here for me, where I get to actually put up my photos and my little decor that I have found and really turn my house into a home. Because for me, pictures of my family just make me feel more at home and just cozy. And look, this is the white Tyler shelves that I built myself, painted myself with a little help. But yes, I'm so excited to get this part started, you guys. Let's get into it. originally moving this bench because I bought this other ottoman from Ross because I thought I would be able to store our shoes in here. And it looks good, but all I'm gonna say is don't get used to it.